Did you know you can make money by using Google News in 2022? Yes, you heard it right. Google News can potentially make you earn tons of money every day. This method is available worldwide and does not require any money invested. You also don't have to sell anything. In today's video, I will be sharing a complete step-by-step guide on how to earn money using Google News. Make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video. If you watch this video until the end, I will show you some bonus websites to maximize your earnings. Now, let's get started. First of all, go to google.com. After that, simply search for Google News. Once you hit the Enter button, it will take you to this results page, where you can see that the first official website shown is news.google.com. If you're wondering what this website is, Google News is a place where you can find the latest news and articles on various topics from around the world, like a physical newspaper that is being delivered in front of your door. You can find news about business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. You can find a ton of articles on this website. Here on the left-hand side, you can see all the categories. All the articles are listed in these categories. You can be taken and uploaded on a different website that pays you money for every article you publish. For example, selecting articles from the health category will give you all the latest news and all the latest articles related to health. Now, simply scroll on this page and try to find something interesting. Personally, I think this is more interesting than others, so I'm interested in this recently uploaded article. The article's topic would surely catch the attention of a lot of audiences. Now move on to the next website to make your article writing easier. This is a tool called spinbot.com. Spinbot is a free, automatic article spinner that will rewrite the human-readable text. If you need a paraphrasing tool, Spinbot will get the job done for you. Now you need to paste the article that you saw on Google News. Once that's done, the article you posted will automatically be rewritten for you, so that you can have the entire article in your own words. It will make it completely unique. Now I will share the websites that will pay you a lot of money when you upload articles on their page. The first website that I want to talk about is called eatingwell.com. Here you can submit your own articles and get paid for them. Instead of spending days producing those articles, you can simply find pre-existing articles on Google News. Here on this website, you will be paid up to $1 per word. So imagine if you can produce a 1,000-word article, you can easily make $1,000 from that article alone. The best thing about this method is that it took less than 30 minutes to copy and paste articles on Google News. If you're wondering how you can submit your article, simply scroll down until you find a section where you can find their contact information. Copy their email and open your email account. Then type into your email as the receiver. After all of that is done, send your Spinbot written article to them with the subject line submission. When you send that specific email, they will review it, and if they like your writing, they will ask for your payment information. Google News gets uploaded every couple of hours, so your options are endless. You can use those articles and rewrite them with Spinbot. Copy and paste them into a Word document before submitting them to these websites. Another website that will pay you money for submitting articles is called siraclub.org. You can go ahead and visit their website for more information. When it comes to submitting your articles, remember to follow these instructions. If you want to submit an article, the process is the same as Eating Well. Simply email them by sending their email address, copy and paste your rewritten article, then fill in your contact information in Sierra Club. You don't have to focus on submitting health-related articles only. You can try different subjects to earn twice your income. Keep in mind that the more articles you create, the more money you can make. But you will not be able to make money on every article. You will make money when your article is accepted. But even if you only get one article per day, that's still hundreds. What's best about it is you simply copy articles and paste them on Spinbot. Then you will get your rewritten article. All of this is entirely free, and the categories to choose from on Google News are endless. The opportunity is already knocking at your door. This is your chance to earn a ton of money. Now, I will show you some bonus websites to maximize your result. Before we start, welcome to the Make Money Boss, where I teach you the latest making money online tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below on what country you are in right now, because this way, I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. The first bonus website is called textbroker.com. This website is based on the content writing service for various projects. It is the proven platform to outsource content creation quickly and easily. Always get the exact content you need. This is the leading provider of unique and custom content. And the good thing is TextBroker has the right project for every author, whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, so that you can make money if you are a complete beginner. Become a TextBroker author, you can access thousands of projects to choose from. Now go to their homepage. Once you're on their homepage, what you need to do is click on I write content right here. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to this page, where you can see how much the TextBroker pays their authors. As you can see, they will pay you this amount per word. You can check it out on your own and read each of these carefully to have a clear idea of how much they will pay. But don't worry, because you won't be writing anything at all. We'll be using Spinbot to earn money from TextBroker. All you need to do is go back to Google News and look for some good articles and then run them through Spinbot. After that, you will get a unique article. If you want to measure how much you can earn from this website, all you need to do is scroll down, and you'll be able to see this earnings calculator. You can simply slide this button, and you'll be able to see on this box how much you can earn. Let's try to see how much we can earn if you write 2,000 words. As you can see, they will pay you $32. You will get $32 for every 2,000 words. But the cool thing is you don't even need to write anything. Spinbot will do all the work for you. All you need to do is copy and paste an article on Spinbot, and you'll be able to earn money with this website. To start making money from TextBroker, you first need to create an account. This is 100% free, and this is available worldwide. All you need to do is click on this sign up button right here. Once you do that, you'll be taken to this page where you need to enter some details to finish the sign up process. After that, simply click on this green button below. Once you have an account, you can start making money from TextBroker. Now moving on to the next bonus website, which is called iWriter.com. This is where people can come and have their articles written by others. All you have to do is create a free account on this website. After that, you need to choose what type of article or content you want to write. Once you have the article, you need to submit your article, then they will review it. After that, they'll pay you for the article you've done. It's straightforward. You might be wondering how much you will receive from writing articles. If you go on this pricing page, you can see that they have 4 levels of writing, which are Standard, Premium, Elite, and Elite Plus. When you scroll down below, you can see how much they will pay you per word. As you can see, the highest payment that you can receive here is $435 for a 6,000 words article. And you can do it using Spinbot. And the good thing is that you can build your own client base with this website. You can choose the topics that best match your background. Another website here that you can earn money from is called Scripted.com. Here you can see hire freelance writers to power your content marketing. This is similar to the 2 websites I showed you before. Here you can see they have over 50,000 customers from all over the world. All you need to do is create a free account on this website. The good thing is you can write about the things that you know. You can work anywhere at any time. To create a free account on this website, simply click on this button right here and then provide the needed details on these boxes and click the button to continue. That's it for today's video. You can do this every day and keep submitting articles on those websites that I've mentioned. The earning potential on the strategy is a lot, so you better make sure you do this right away.